Hey guys, Todd with Vapor Honing Technologies. Today we're talking about restoration and sandblasting and why this is actually a good choice. So, part here that's covered in paint, you want to remove that paint. You want to get back to repainting this, giving it a very good finish compared to what we have on here now. Dry sandblasting is a perfect way to do that. This particular machine we have here actually has a 220 aluminum oxide in it. It's going to work great for removing the paint and actually giving us a profile for that paint to re-adhere to. So let's throw it in here and give it a shot and let's see what it looks like. Okay guys, so after blasting, we just did a small spot here so you can actually see that it's removing this paint and it's actually leaving a slight textured surface that is perfect for the paint to re-adhere to. As far as restoration and using dry blast, it is a great option. Now, if you've got some very soft metals that you're trying to do or things that have serialized numbers on them, probably going to go with a suction-based machine and use something a little less aggressive like a glass bead that will actually just clean that surface for you without removing serial numbers or marks of history that are on there. But for removing paint and prepping for a surface, restoration using dry blast is a perfect way to go. If you have any questions, give us a call. Phone number is 828-202-5563. Thanks for watching.